Karen Knutson here with another quick tip. One thing that I love to do when I'm getting towards the end of a painting is to add a little bit of gold. And one thing that I discovered was if you take your double stick tape and you put your double stick tape down, I like to do it over a darker surface. You run your fingers through this double stick tape and get some holes in there. And you put gold foil paper on top of that. It's a lot easier than gold leaf. Put it down and pull it off, and you've got instant holes, really interesting addition to your painting. Like I said, it really works well on a darker surface, so it's really fun to see those purples coming through. With the double stick tape, if you want to make it into, I don't want to have it be just straight, I roll it up, I go like that, and I've got it adhering to that little roll up thing too. Another thing you can do is to just simply run your fingers through this. I found this out by accident, but it's really fun. So if I run my fingers through it, I've got some really skinny lines of just pure gold. And that's it.